going to present the video presentation on osmotin protein structure prediction by using modular software. Osmotin is a stress-responsive protein. Osmotin is primarily related to antipathogen and antifungal activity. Molecular weight of osmotin is 24 kilodalton. Before going to protein structure prediction method, first discuss what is the protein, basic structure of protein, software used in protein structure prediction method, and what are the method of protein structure prediction. Protein are the polymer of amino acid. They are linked together by peptide bond to form polypeptide chain. Protein structure. There are four basic structure of protein: primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. Primary structure is simply the linear sequence of amino acid. Secondary structure is the repetitious folding of polypeptide chain. There are two structures, alpha helix and beta plated sheet. Tertiary structure is a three-dimensional globular structure formed by packing together of secondary structure of a polypeptide chain. Quaternary structure is the three-dimensional of protein molecule comprising several independent polypeptide chains. Protein structure prediction method. There are several protein structure prediction methods. Secondary structure include PhD, JNet, Gore, Chau-Fasman method. Tertiary structure include ab initio modeling, comparative modeling, side chain geometry prediction. Quaternary structure prediction method, protein-protein interaction method. Software used in protein structure prediction method. There are several software used in protein structure prediction method like Modeler, Robeta, Gold, HSPRED. Structure prediction of osmotin protein by using modular software. The first step in the protein structure prediction method, open the NCBI BLAST homepage and select the protein BLAST. BLAST find region of local similarity between sequence. Then paste your protein sequence in this box. Enter a job title for your BLAST search. Then choose database, protein data bank, protein database. Then click on BLAST. In the result page, shows the query ID, molecule type, and query length. In graphic summary, show the conserved domain. Putative conserved domain have been detected. Color key shows the alignment score. Description include accession number, description, maximum and total score, query coverage, and e-value. In alignment shows score 179, method compositional matrix, identities 95, positive 121, gap 3. Then click on the red image shows the putative conserved domain. In this page shows your query sequence, specific hits and non-specific hits, list of conserved domain and e-value of domain. BLAST search parameter include maximum number of hits 500 and e-value minus 0.01. Then open PDB. PDB contain information about experimentally determined structure of protein and nucleic acid. Enter your PDB ID in search box and then click on search. In result page, get all the information related to protein like classification, structural weight, molecule, polymer, source, and then download PDB file text and save. Then open ProtParam ExpaSeq Proteomics server. ProtParam tools allows the computation of various physical and chemical parameters of a given protein. Paste your FASTA sequence in this box and click on Compute Parameter. In this result page shows the user provided sequence and computation parameter include number of amino acid, molecular weight, theoretical pi, amino acid composition, especially for cysteine composition is 6.9%. Total number of negatively charged residue 17. Total number of positively charged residue 19. Atomic composition. Formula: total number of amino acids 3616. Instability index 48.31. When stability index more than 40, the classified protein as unstable. Aliphatic index and gravity 0.018. Then open Swiss model server. Swiss model is fully automated protein structure homology modeling server. The purpose of this server is to make protein modeling. There are 4 modeling options: my workspace, automated mode, alignment mode, and project mode. First, click on automated mode. Enter your email ID. Then enter your project title IR64 and then paste your protein sequence in this box. Then click on submit modeling request. Your request submitted and the result will be displayed in your email. Open your email and open the result. In the result page, get the model information. Model residue range from 27 to 247. Based on template 2AHN A 1.3 extron. Sequence identity 41.256%. E value 0.00 E minus 1. Alignment from 27 to 247 residue. Anula shows the graphical alignment from 27 to 247 residue range. Modeling log, template selection log. Then click on download model as PDB and save the file. After getting the model, open the Swiss PDB viewer. Open your PDB file. Select the PDB file and ignore this box. Go to select option and select all. Then click on window option and click on Ramachandran plot. In Ramachandran plot shows the two regions. Residue within blue region called allowed region. Residue outside the blue region called disallowed region. If 7 to 8 residue present in disallowed region, go to loop building. Loop building transfer the residue from disallowed region to allowed region. And after that, click on tool and click on compute energy force field. Then click on OK. Result page shows the residues, bonds, angles, and total E value of the protein. Total E value of the protein is minus 6513.792. Always E value should be negative. Next step in energy minimization step. In this step, total energy of protein are to be minimized. The energy of protein is to minimize up to minus 9903.023. After that, go to select option and select all. Then file save layer to HN layer. next step is the open the SAV's online server. SAV is a structural analysis and verification server. There are 5 options for structural analysis. Up, First, upload your PDB file and then click on ProCheck option. ProCheck check the stereochemical quality of protein structure by analyzing residue by residue geometry and geometry overall structure geometry. In first note summary, the Ramachandran plot, 91.1% of the core, 8.9% are allowed. Then click on Ramachandran plot. In Ramachandran plot, residue range from 1 alanine to 222 proline. In Ramachandran plot, two angles psi and phi angle. In Then go back and click on Spot check. Spot check the many stereochemical parameters of the residue in the model. Red color shows the error in the protein model. There are 4 errors found in this model. Then go back and click on Verify 3D. Verify 3D check whether structure is pass or fail. 100% of the residue has an average 3D to 1D score is 0.2. Gray color indicates that your structure is good and fast. Application of protein structure prediction, designing and improving ligand, studying catalytic mechanism, docking of macromolecules, virtual screen and docking small molecule, defining antibody epitope, designing chambers, functional relationship from structural similarity, prediction of protein partners, identifying patches of conserved surface,